Let's take a look now at your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a good Tuesday. We did see a little bit of a peek at the sun today. Temperatures a lot like yesterday, and what a gorgeous, in fact, it's just a very cool shot up at Lake Wenatchee. You can see the lake right here and some of the clouds that are across our camera up at Lake Wenatchee, and that's kind of what we experienced here in the Wenatchee Valley. A lot of clouds with a cloud inversion here in the valley, and if you go up to the Waterville area at some higher elevations, sunshine in a lot of areas today. So hopefully those roads melted off in the Waterville area today. But we have more rain in our forecast, and it's going to continue through this week and into this weekend. We can expect periods of valley rain, fog. We've been seeing that, and I'll tell you what, the fog has been really dense over in the Columbia Basin, Moses Lake, Ephrata, Quincy area, and up into Waterville. Some fog there. We might even see some light mountain snow tomorrow, and we could even see some rain mixed with snow tomorrow before 3 different storm systems make their way into our area, and that's going to keep us wet right into the through the upcoming weekend. But the good news, high temperatures, we're talking mainly upper 30s and lower 40s, maybe even warmer as we get into the first part of next week. We'll have more on that coming up in your forecast. Today's high temperature, 36 degrees. That's pretty much where we should be for this time of year. 35 is normal, 56 our record high, and that was set back in 2011. 32 this morning, our overnight low. That's 7 degrees above 25, which we should see for this time of year. Our record cold temperature, 7 below zero, and that was in 1969. Our precip totals have kind of been all over the place. We'll probably update this tomorrow. 3/100ths of an inch. That's in the past 24 hours. That gets us to just under 7/10ths of an inch of rain since the January 1st. So we're pretty good shape, under 1/10 of an inch behind where we should be. Sunrise 7:37, and the sun set this afternoon at 4:48. All right, let's get you into those temperatures for your Wednesday, and we will see a lot like today. But remember, a very wet day is on tap for our Wednesday. Pretty much all of us in the mid-30s. Moses Lake, Ephrata, and Quincy, Wenatchee, we will see 35 tomorrow, as will Eniat, and then a little bit warmer up Highway 97. Omak, the warm spot at 37. The cool spot tomorrow, Lake Wenatchee, with a high temperature of 32. All right, tonight we can expect 3 storms to come into our area. This is the one that will affect our weather tomorrow, bringing us almost a 100% chance of rain, and then a couple more areas of low pressure. And yeah, they're packing a lot of moisture. They will move in towards the end of the week and into our upcoming weekend. So expect our wet weather pattern to continue at least for the next 4 or 5 days. Tonight, cloudy skies, dense fog is possible once again tonight. Lots of clouds around Washington State, and this is where we'll see most of the foggy conditions. Very bad on I-90 from Moses Lake into Ritzville, also to Spokane. And then for Wednesday, here comes that first storm. A 100% chance of rain. This is in your morning commute. Maybe some scattered showers by the afternoon tomorrow with high temperatures in the mid-30s. Might even see some flakes mixed in with that rain tomorrow. On Thursday, mostly cloudy skies. Here's the first storm moving away from us. Storm number 2 approaching, but this will still have some leftover shower activity. So about a 60% chance of rain on Thursday with highs in the mid to upper 30s. And then that next storm system with a very strong southwesterly flow will bring us just some scattered showers on Friday. This fetch of moisture not quite reaching us yet on Friday. We'll see high temperatures at the end of the week into the upper 30s. So you can see we're warming up, and then that flow will reach us on Saturday. An 80% chance that we'll see rain showers to kick off our weekend. There's the good news in all of this. High temperatures near about 40 degrees, and boy, look at all the green and yellow now in the western U.S. For Sunday, there's the next storm that's ready to move in on us. A 70% chance of morning rain, cloudy skies in the afternoon, high temperatures to end our weekend. Once again, not bad with highs around 40. And boy, we can pretty much kiss this snow goodbye by the end of the weekend. On Monday, an even bigger storm with lots of wind on the coast will move in. We'll see about a 60% chance of rain. This is heavy precip from western Washington into British Columbia. It will be mild on Monday. High temperatures in those lower 40s. So get ready for a warm up, but it is going to stay wet right through our 7-day forecast, and you can see our temperatures kind of hovering in the mid-30s today through Thursday. Wet for both Wednesday and Thursday. Maybe a little bit of a break on Friday and 38, and this is where we really begin to warm up. Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday, a good chance for rain all 3 days with high temperatures generally around 40 degrees. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Dan Kuntz and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.